In this video, let's learn how to create boat effect video on TikTok. You must have seen the boat effect video that a lot of people are posting nowadays. You can also do the same for your videos. For that, you will need to download an application of CapCut because the boat effect is a template of CapCut. You can easily find this application on both the App Store and the Play Store. Go ahead and download this application. Once the app has been downloaded, you can now open up TikTok. Once you open up your TikTok, tap on the search bar on the top and search for boat effect. Once you do, all of these videos will open up where people are using the boat effect. You can tap on any of the videos, and in some videos may or may not have the template. You just need to keep scrolling and you'll see an option of CapCut. Try this template. You just tap on this option and it's gonna take you to a different screen. Tap on use template in CapCut. Now it's gonna open up the CapCut app. Again, tap on use template and then select the photo that you want to add in. Tap on the photo and tap on preview, and as you can see, the boat effect now has been successfully added and the photo that you selected will be added to the boat. If you like what you see, you can tap on export on the top right and the video will be exported to your phone. So that was the video on how to create boat effect video on TikTok. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.